Morning students. In the yesterday's class we were discussing self-inductance and mutual inductance. In continuation with that, next coefficient of coupling between two circuits. Coefficient of coupling between two circuits. Let us derive the equation for the coefficient of coupling between two circuits. Yesterday we had considered the circuit. Okay, we had considered the circuit where we have the one source, that is V1, then there's a coil here. Okay, then there is one more neighboring coil which is connected to the source V2. Right? Current is I1 in first circuit, I2 in second circuit. The flux in first circuit is phi 11, flux in second circuit is phi 22. Flux linking from first circuit to second circuit is phi 12, whereas that linking from second circuit to first circuit is phi 21. Right? L1 is the inductance of first coil, L2 is the inductance of second coil, N1 number of turns of first coil, N2 the number of turns of the second coil. Right? So with this information, let us go into the details of the coefficient of coupling between two circuits. So if there are two magnetic circuits kept nearer to each other, then they interact with each other magnetically with the flux linkage between the two circuits, that is the flux linkage in the circuit due to the current in the other circuit. Then such circuits are called as magnetically coupled circuits. So what are magnetically coupled circuits? If there are two magnetic circuits kept nearer to each other, then they interact with each other magnetically through the flux linkage in the circuit due to the current in other circuit. Then such circuits are called magnetically coupled circuits. Consider an example of the magnetically coupled circuits. So this is the figure of the magnetically coupled circuits. Self-inductance of the circuit 1 and circuit 2 are given by. So let us write the equation for self-inductance. L1 is equal to N1 phi 11 divided by I1. So L is equal to N phi by I. Right? This is equal to lambda 11 divided by I1. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, L2 will be given by N2 phi 22 this divided by I2. That is equal to lambda 22 this divided by I2. Right? Take it as equation 2. Okay. Now the flux linkage with circuit 2 due to the current in circuit 1. Flux linkage in circuit 2 due to the current in circuit 1. So that is denoted by phi 12. So this flux is the part of the flux phi 11. Okay. Flux linkage in circuit 2 due to the current in circuit 1 is a part of this flux phi 11. Therefore, it can be written as, phi 12 is equal to K1 into phi 11. Some factor into phi 11. Right? Take it as 3. Similarly, we can write for phi 21, this is equal to K2 into phi 22. Right? Then writing the expressions for M12, mutual inductance M12. Right? We have already written the expression for M12 in our previous topic. That is N1 phi 21 this divided by I2. This is equal to N1. So just now we wrote for phi 21. So phi 21 is K2 phi 22. K2 phi 22 this divided by I2. Similarly for M21 is equal to N2 phi 12 divided by I1. So this is equal to N2. What is phi 12? We wrote the equation now. So it is K1 phi 11 divided by I1. Fine. So if the medium is linear, surrounding the two circuits, then we can write M12 is equal to M21, that is equal to M. If the medium surrounding the two circuits, right, the medium surrounding these two circuits, right, the medium surrounding the two circuits is a linear medium, that is the output is linear with respect to input, then we have M12 is equal to M21 is equal to M. So based on this, if I multiply M12 into M21, right, that is if I take M square, M into M, so this will be M12 into M21, that is equal to N1 K2 522, this divided by I2 into N2 K1 511 divided by I1. So this will be equal to K1 K2 into N1 511 by I1 into N2 522 by I2. So this is nothing but K1 K2. What is N1 511 by I1? It is L1. N2 522 by I2 is L2. So therefore M will be equal to square root of K1 K2 into square root of L1 L2. So this is square root of K1 K2. The square root of K1 K2, I am taking it as K. So where K is equal to square root of K1 K2, right? There where K is the coefficient of coupling. K is coefficient of coupling between two circuits, between the two coils or between two circuits, two coils. Hence we can write K is equal to, so K is square root of K1 K2, therefore M will be equal to K into root L1 L2, or K will be equal to M divided by square root of L1 L2. Okay, so let us take it as equation 7. So here, if the two magnetic circuits are coupled in such a way that there is series aiding between the two circuits. Series aiding means the flux in the first coil aids with the flux in the second coil in series, right? They are aiding each other. Then we have L equivalent. This is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. This is for series aiding. If the fluxes in two circuits are series aiding. Similarly, if the flux are series opposing, then we have L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M. This is for series opposing, right? Then similarly, if the two fluxes are parallel aiding, then we have L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 minus M square, this divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. This is for parallel aiding. They are in parallel, and if they are aiding each other, then we have this equation. Then the last equation will be for parallel opposing. For parallel opposing, we have the equation L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 minus M square, this divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. This is for parallel opposing. Right. So let us solve an example on this coefficient of coupling. Take this example. Example 1. If a coil of 800 microhenry is magnetically coupled to another coil of 200 microhenry, the coefficient of coupling the coefficient of coupling between two coils is 0.05, that is they have given K. Calculate inductance of two coils, inductance if two coils are connected in first one series aiding, second series opposing, right? Then third parallel aiding, fourth parallel opposing. Okay, so let's find out the solution for the problem. So what they have given, if a coil of 800 microhenry, L1 is given 800 microhenry, L2 is given 200 microhenry, right? Coefficient of coupling K is given 0.05. So we are supposed to find the inductance if two coils are connected in series aiding, series opposing, parallel aiding and parallel opposing. So first let us calculate the value of M. Mutual inductance between two coils. Mutual inductance between two coils is given by M is equal to K root of L1 L2, that is square root 0.05 into square root of 800 into 10 raised to minus 6, this into 200 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this comes out to 20 microhenry. So we found the value of M. Next, for series aiding, the formula is L is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M, L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So this will be equal to 800 into 10 raised to minus 6 plus 200 into 10 raised to minus 6 plus 2 into M value, that is 20 microhenry, 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. The answer is 1040 microhenry for series aiding. Next, for series opposing, what is the formula? Yes, come on, tell me students. L is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M, that is 800 into 10 raised to minus 6 plus 200 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 2 into 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this will be 960 microhenry. Then third part of the problem, parallel aiding. For parallel aiding, formula is L is equal to L1 L2 minus M square, this divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Substitute all the values in this equation, we get M is equal to, that is L is equal to 800 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 200 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 square, this divided by 960 into 10 raised to minus 6. So on simplification we get the value of L as 166.25 microhenries. Fine. Last one, for parallel opposing, the formula is L is equal to L1 L2 minus M square, this divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So this comes out to 800 into 10 raised to minus 6, this into 200 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 square, this divided by 1040 into 10 raised to minus 6. L1 plus L2 plus 2M we have already found out, right? We found out in the first part of the problem, so just substitute that. So this comes out to 153.46 microhenry, the value of L. Right? So like this we have calculated the value of L, students. So in this class we have studied the topic on coefficient of coupling between two circuits, right? And we derived the equation for coefficient of coupling, that is K equation is given by, right? So what is the equation for K here? K is equal to square root of K1 K2, okay, or K is equal to M divided by square root of L1 L2. Then we wrote the equation for series aiding, series opposing, parallel aiding and parallel opposing. Then we have solved a problem on the coefficient of coupling between two coils, right? Hope everybody have understood, students. So if there are any doubts in this topic, send your doubts to me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.